Ever wondered if that fragrance deal online is too good to be true? Before you hit buy, stop. What if I told you fragrance.net has been around since the 90s, shipped over 30 million packages, and is BBB accredited with an A+ rating? Sounds perfect, right? But is it really legit? Stick around as we uncover the truth because your wallet deserves to know. Plus, you don't want to end up with something that smells more like eau de regret than Chanel number 5, right? Let's start with the facts. Fragrance.net claims to sell 40,000 genuine brand name beauty products at discounted prices. Impressive, but talk is cheap, just like those $5 designer perfume scams we've all seen online. But here's where things get interesting. This company isn't some fly-by-night operation. They've been trusted online since 1997. That's over 2 decades of business, shipping $3 billion worth of beauty products. Yeah, billion with a B. Still, skepticism creeps in. Could all those positive reviews be faked? Here's the kicker. Fragrance.net boasts real reviews on Trustpilot and a BBB accreditation with an A+ rating. Trust me, scammers don't get that kind of love, and it doesn't stop there. Fragrance.net has an overwhelming presence on Trustpilot, boasting over 75,000 positive reviews. Think about it. 75,000. That's not just a number, it's a testament to the trust and satisfaction of thousands of real customers. Numbers like these don't lie. Only a real and legitimate company can achieve such a milestone. But wait, how can you ensure you're getting the real deal and not a counterfeit? Hang tight, we're almost there. If you're planning to grab that signature scent, here's what you need to know. Always shop directly through their website, double-check your product details, and take advantage of their free U.S. shipping on qualifying orders. Time is money, don't waste it second-guessing legit deals. And if you want more tips to avoid online shopping scams, check out our video, Bumble7.com review, Easy Money or A Scam. It's linked right here on the end screen. Stay smart, shop savvy, and see you in the next video.